Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to change keyboard size on your Android phone. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. If your device allows the keyboard size to be changed, we need to find the correct settings page. Open the Settings app and use the search function to search for keyboard. One of the results should be the main keyboard settings page, so tap on this. On here, look for and tap on a keyboard size option. It could be named something similar to this on your device. For me it's called Size and Transparency. You can now choose a new size for the keyboard or drag the handles around the keyboard to change its size and position. If you still can't find the correct page or option, head back to the home page of the settings and use the search function to look for anything called keyboard size, and if there's a search result, tap on this to hopefully have the option to change it. That's how to change keyboard size on your Android phone. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your Android device. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.